SigmaTube is a plugin for SolidWorks which allows users to quickly process and output G-code for laser tube cutting machines. SigmaTube has a built-in parts library which enables components to be created dynamically. Many standard shapes found in tube cutting are included as standard, such as rectangle, angle, round, channel and T-shaped profiles. Standard operations such as coping, miters and chamfers can easily be added without the need for design changes to the SolidWorks 3D model. In the same way, holes and slots can be added to the part, either individually or as an array. Dynamic previews provide exact placement of the holes. Depth, size and positional options are controlled with ease to use the parameters. SigmaTube data is stored internally within the SolidWorks part, so there's no extra files created. With the part fully designed, creating the G-code is a simple one-click procedure, while still allowing the user to manually reorder features as needed. SigmaTube's simulation feature shows the tube's position in relation to the machine chuck and cutting head. When working with SolidWorks assemblies, SigmaTube part lists will organise all components into their relative material groups. Quantities, profile types and size data are automatically determined. Adding a batch quantity will adjust the number of each component required. Creating a new auto task will allow SigmaTube to nest each part with all other components with the same profile. Material can be added from a stock library or created on the fly. Using the same procedure as a single part program, G-code is generated with a single click of the mouse, resulting in G-code for all parts and layouts. With a number of nesting engines included, users can be sure of maximum material usage regardless of each component's size and shape. Simulation of the nested parts shows full visualization of the program showing cutting, drilling and repositioning, verifying the program before loading onto the machine.